Benefits of drinking ginger tea for weight loss. Ginger is a plant with the Latin name Zingiber officinale, known as a plant that can be used as a spice that also has health benefits. Ginger has a finger-shaped rhizome and bulging in the segment. As a spice, ginger is known as one of the spices that can be used to season food and can eliminate the smell of fish and meat when cooking. In addition, ginger is also very well known as one of the ingredients to overcome some types of diseases because of the content in it. Let's take a look at the benefits of drinking ginger tea for weight loss treatments. Nutrition in ginger. Ginger is a rhizome or a plant similar to plants of temu type that has a slightly spicy taste when consumed. The sharp smell compounds contained in ginger as shogaols and gingerol cause spicy effects in ginger. In addition to shogaols and gingerol, ginger also has other ingredients such as vitamin C, magnesium, and minerals. Some of these ingredients make ginger has a variety of benefits to maintain health. As a treatment ingredient, ginger is usually consumed as a beverage, as we know with wedang ginger, or some people call it with ginger tea. The color of this ginger drink almost resembles the color of orange-brown. There is one unique way to help to lose 0.5 kilogram in just 1 week. To lose the weight this way is worth a try. Ginger is very easy to find in Indonesia. If you in Indonesia, you can prove the effectiveness this way within a week and then decide to continue or not to continue. As an appetite controller. By drinking ginger tea you can feel full longer. This is because the effects of ginger tea helps the body's metabolism. This is great for your diet program. Increasing thermal effects of the body. Ginger helps to lose up to 0.5 kilograms a week. This is the thermal effect. What exactly is this thermal effect? You need to know that thermal effect is a term used to describe the meaning of the body's ability to burning fat and its processing into energy or energy. This means, when you eat foods that can increase thermal effects such as hot ginger tea, you can feel the benefits because it can burn fat and make it into energy more efficiently. The body will slim down quickly. To detoxification diet with ginger tea can also detoxify the body. One of the benefits of ginger tea is to help smooth blood circulation and help the body's metabolism. So it can help the process of detoxification. Improve the process of burning fat in the body. With the increase in metabolic processes in the body, it will burn fat better. It uses the effects of thermal effects. So ginger tea is suitable for your diet. Helps turn fat into energy. With the increase of metabolism process, it helps body burn fat better. Fat burns, by the body converted into energy. Well, that's the benefits of drinking ginger tea for weight loss treatments. Reinforce the function of human metabolism. The body's metabolic that previously did not work well. By drinking ginger tea, it can help to optimize the metabolic processes that exist in the body. Help you feel full longer. The use of ginger tea to lose weight was revealed in a study conducted at Columbia University, at the Institute for Human Nutrition. The study mentioned that drinking ginger tea while it's still warm can help the stomach to feel full longer. Some other benefits of drinking ginger tea for weight loss treatments are also noted in the results of these studies. Healthy diet. This way is natural and no side effects, even if there are side effects. Ginger is one of the rhizomes that is known to have a lot of benefits for the body and our health. If the worst possibility occurs and how you diet, then at least ginger has healthy blend for your digestive tract. Disclaimer: the materials and the information contained on this channel are provided for general and educational purposes only and do not constitute any legal, medical or other professional advice on any subject matter. None of the information on our videos is a substitute for a diagnosis and treatment by your health professional. Always seek the advice of your physician or other qualified health provider prior to starting any new diet or treatment, and with any questions you may have regarding a medical condition. If you have or suspect that you have a medical problem, promptly contact your health care provider.